Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever felt stuck when trying to speak English? Do you struggle to find the right words? Do you understand English when you hear it but have trouble responding? Many English learners face this challenge. They can listen to English and understand it, but when it's time to speak, their mind goes blank. The problem is not just speaking, it's how you listen. Listening is the first step to speaking fluently. In this video, I will show you how to train your brain to listen first, then speak naturally. Let's get started. Why listening is the key to speaking. Think about how babies learn their first language. Do they start by speaking? No. For the first year of their lives, they just listen. They hear their parents talk. They absorb sounds, words, and sentences. Then, little by little, they start speaking. You can do the same with English. Listening trains your brain to recognize common words and phrases, understand natural pronunciation and rhythm, learn correct grammar without memorizing rules, feel more confident when it's time to speak. The more you listen, the easier it will be to speak. But how do you listen effectively? Step 1. Listen to understand, not just to hear. Many learners hear English, but they don't really listen. Imagine watching a movie in English. If you don't focus, you might hear the words, but you won't really understand them. To improve speaking, you need to actively listen. Here's how. 1. Choose the right listening material. Start with something a little above your level. Not too easy, not too hard. Use content with clear pronunciation, podcasts, audiobooks, interviews, or YouTube videos. 2. Listen for meaning, not just words. Don't try to translate every word into your language. Focus on the general idea. 3. Repeat what you hear. Listen to short clips multiple times. Try to repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it. 4. Use subtitles wisely. First, listen without subtitles. Then, listen again with subtitles. Finally, listen one more time without them. By listening this way, you train your brain to think in English instead of translating from your native language. Step 2. Shadowing, the best exercise to speak naturally. Now that you're listening actively, it's time to speak. One of the best methods to improve speaking is shadowing. What is shadowing? Shadowing means listening to English and repeating it immediately, without pausing or looking at the text. It's like copying a native speaker in real time. How to do shadowing. 1. Find an audio clip, podcast, movie dialogue, or interview. 2. Play it and listen carefully. 3. Repeat immediately after the speaker. Try to copy their pronunciation, speed, and intonation. 4. Keep going, even if you don't understand every word. At first, it might feel difficult, but this is how your brain connects listening and speaking. The more you shadow, the more natural your English will sound. Step 3. Practice listening and speaking together. To really improve, you need to combine listening and speaking in daily practice. Here are some effective ways to do it. 1. Listen and answer. Instead of just listening passively, turn it into a conversation. Watch an interview and pause after each question. Answer the question yourself before listening to the speaker's response. Compare your answer with the speaker's answer. This will train you to think in English and respond faster. 2. Talk to yourself. If you don't have a speaking partner, don't worry. You can still practice. Listen to a short clip. Pause and summarize what you just heard. Try saying it in your own words. For example, listening. I woke up early, had breakfast, and went to work. Your response. He woke up early and went to work after breakfast. This builds confidence and fluency. 3. Use the listen, pause, speak method. Listen to a sentence. Pause the audio. Try to repeat or respond in your own words. Then, continue listening. This simulates real conversations and prepares you for real-life speaking situations. Step 4. Build your listening speaking routine. To improve, you need to practice every day. Here's a simple daily routine to follow. Morning. Listen to a short podcast or audiobook for 5 to 10 minutes. Afternoon. Shadow a short clip or repeat phrases out loud. Evening. Watch a TV show or movie scene, pause, and repeat the sentences. Before bed, read a short passage and record yourself reading it aloud. The key is consistency. Even 10 minutes a day will help you improve. Common mistakes to avoid. Only listening without speaking. Listening alone won't make you fluent. You must practice speaking too. Trying to be perfect. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on improving little by little. Listening passively. Just watching movies won't help. You need to repeat, pause, and respond. Translating in your head. Train yourself to think in English by listening to full sentences instead of individual words. Final thoughts. Speaking English starts with listening. Listen actively. Repeat what you hear. Shadow native speakers. Practice daily. By following these steps, you'll train your brain to connect listening with speaking naturally. So now let's practice. Try this exercise. Listen to a sentence in English. Pause the video. Say it out loud. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite way to practice listening and speaking? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey. Keep listening, keep speaking, and see you in the next video.